Hello, my name is Joe Mag. I'm here to talk to you about the Monkeys Paw today. The Monkeys Paw by W. Jacobs is a great three-part story that takes place in Europe during the early 20th century. The White family has a household of 4 people. None of the characters go by their first name except for their son Herbert. The story starts off with an ordinary family on a regular old night, but it's about to get wild. The story takes place one night when the family is disturbed by an old man that has a monkey's paw. The paw has a spell on it, so when you wish for something, you get your wish, but something else bad happens. Mr. White, Herbert's dad, asked for £200, which he gets, but for the reason of the income is because of his son's death. You're allowed 3 wishes, so they wish their son back, but when he arrives, Mr. White came to realize that his son is now a monster because he came directly out of the grave from the accident. So Mr. White uses his final wish to make him leave. The story ends with a scared, quiet family.
Stop.
Yes, right. The Monkey's Paw story consists of 9 vocabulary words. Pearls, exposure to injury, loss, or distraction. Hark, to listen attentively. Bakers, a monk considered a wonder worker. Directly, low, harsh, or rough. Talisman, modified part of an organism. Vivid, full of life, lively. Proscript, commonplace or dull. Preoccupied, previously taken or spelled. Shown, the past tense for shine. Herbert is a generous young man who seems to have a good relationship with his family. He also likes to take risks because even though his family was told the monkey's paw made bad stuff happen, he still told his father a wish for £300. Herbert can also be described as a live person because when his boss arrives to take the family for his death, his boss was very nervous and his mom freaked out. Mr. White knew it was a bad idea to wish Herbert back to life. Mrs. White never believed him trying her best to open the door.